used to sound like music. Engines, blasters, the roar of victory. Now, it just sounds like guilt.
Thundercracker, report. Autobots neutralized. Proceed with orbital strike.
Target area still occupied.
Of course, it's occupied. That's what makes it effective. Execute the strike, coward.
Coward. Maybe he's right. A soldier questions orders. That's weakness. But what if following orders is worse?
Decepticon jet, stand down. Evacuate the civilians if you have honor left in your spark.
You want them? You'll have to go through me.
Thundercracker, treason detected.
Maybe. But maybe it's something else. Maybe it's conscience. Maybe the sound of guilt never stops. But maybe it can change tune.